Welcome back to Crafting Crazy Beautiful, guys. We're just going to do a quick tutorial on how to create your water slide in Canva and where to get those photos. Let's get started. So I like to do the design in Canva. We are going to do a water slide. And I like to just do it in Canva because I can, one, make the decal larger or different size. I don't have to worry about the print then cut issue where there's those lines. I do have to cut everything out by hand though, so that's something to note. Or you have to be really savvy with lining things up on the Cricut design space so that you'll be able to cut out your actual images the right way and lining it up properly on that mat. So all we're going to do here, please don't mind all this pop-ups. All we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and just add in the picture that we're putting on the cut. Now, I don't like to waste paper, so we'll be adding in a couple different pictures so that I don't have to worry about that. So, first, just to show you guys where I get some of my photos from. You get images for free at PNG AAA or all PNG all. Period, period, okay, sorry guys, sorry. So, I am doing a sports team cut. We talked about this, and I need to find something in regards to that sports team. So, I'm going to type in the sports team, Philadelphia Eagles. I'm sorry for the beeping in the background. Irresponsibly, I did not cut my press off, so now my press is cutting itself off. So here's a lot of nice, cute things here. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's Rainbow Dash, guys, from My Little Pony. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click this, and I'm going to open image in a new tab so I don't have to, not open image, guys. I'm going to open the page in a new tab. Sorry, open link in a new tab. Because if you open the image, you won't be able to download it. So I'm going to take the ones I like, and I'm going to open the link in a new tab so I can go ahead and download each one once I'm done picking out the ones that I like. So I'm just going to do a whole bunch of Eagles and just print out a bunch of Eagle stuff on one page. So open link in new tab. I like this one too. This is really nice. And these images are just images that you can use for free. You don't have to pay for the images. Now, I don't do a lot of selling of these type of things on my site. I do kind of save that for personal requests for copyright purposes. You do have to be careful with the copyright. Some people don't care and they just go for it. Me personally, I don't want to go for it. I'm afraid. This is so cute. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love this. I'm doing it for a raffle at my job. So this is going to be great. We're doing Philly culture. So that's going to be lovely. And just close out anything that pops up. Trying to get you to click on it. But no, I think we're good with what we have so far. Alright, so I just did a flyer because my printer prints the 8.5 by 11s. So I just went ahead and did a flyer so we can do it that way. So I'm going to upload my files in Canva. This is a free function. Don't mind the game bar portion. It's just let me know we're recording. So this is Canva, and you can do this in the free version while uploading your pictures and putting them in a document. Now, there are some features that I use often in Canva Pro. I think Canva Pro is the way to go, personally. I love Canva Pro. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and just drag them on over. Different sizes. Let's make the page bigger so we can see, right? And let's go ahead and make everything bigger. Excuse me. I accidentally darkened it. So we lost a little bit of the recording. But basically I just took the photos that I got from off of the PNG all website, and then I just kind of placed them strategically on my canvas. And then I'm just going to go ahead and print it out on my Canon printer on the Waterslide paper. So we'll go ahead and go to that next step where we're sealing in that print. Okay, guys, here's the print, and we're going to go ahead and take that outside and spray it down with this first coat of acrylic sealer to seal in this image. This, guys, is my spray painting area for spray painting outside. I have like my little box that I spray paint on and my little table that is completely covered in spray paint dust. So we're going to go ahead and do even coats. You can use either Rust-Oleum's acrylic sealer. I use Rust-Oleum's, and sometimes I use this Alini's. They sell them like a 3-pack on Amazon. It's not a lot coming. Here we go. And you want even sprays, okay? And you're going to come out here. You're going to let this first coat dry, and then you're going to come back and do another coat. 3 coats minimum, in my opinion, is how many you're going to need to completely seal in before you go ahead and cut them out and put them on your cup or wherever you're putting the water slide at. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and cut out our decals. Now, I am going to go with this one because it's the easier cut, and since it's white, sorry guys, since it's white water slide paper, we want to make sure we can get really close cuts. So we're just gonna cut really close. It's okay if we get it's okay if we hit a little bit of that outer seam. We just want to make sure that it's looking good. And the reason why I like to do several of the one that I'm cutting is just in case I mess up. So we're just going to go ahead and breeze through this really quick and cut close to the lines. So once you're done cutting everything up and making sure that you get really close on those cuts so you're not seeing any of that white background when you're applying it, then you're just going to go ahead and just get set up for applying your water slide, which involves you getting yourself, some warm water, the same as you would do for a temporary tattoo, and then soaking it in the warm water so everything can be easily removed. But if you want to go ahead and see a video of how I apply this to a tumbler, make sure you check out the link below for my football tumbler tutorial, guys. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to live your crazy, beautiful life. Bye, guys.